Hi there guys, it's Mark Gossage here of bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my OpinionBank review. OpinionBank, as it says here, simply watch and you'll see how they're getting paid $27 easily again and again for answering simple questions and without needing to do any hard work. Okay, they're saying it works for non-English speakers, it's newbie friendly, you won't need any upfront costs, and there's fast payments. Okay, so if that sounds like something you'd like to do, stick with me, because once I've been through my bonus page and show you the pricing, the bonuses and everything, we'll go straight on over and you'll see exactly how OpinionBank works. Without further ado, if you click the first link below the video, right down there, if you're on YouTube, very first link will bring you over to the best OpinionBank bonus page on the planet. It tells you a little bit about OpinionBank. It tells you all about the pricing and everything, the upsells if you want to add more power, more money, make it easier for yourself, all there. Okay, now my bonuses, the first one is make it happen. It's sort of going to show you exactly how to get motivated, how to move, what you need to be doing if you want to be successful in life. This is how to achieve your goals and make it happen. It's a full video training course and it's here as a bonus for you. You'll be getting that and all these bonuses here as long as I get credited with a sale of OpinionBank. Okay, just a front end or anything, and you get all these bonuses I'm showing you now. Now, there are these orange buttons as you go down my bonus page, and they're going to take you over to the sales page, lock it in. As I say, as long as you get credited, you're going to get everything here. This is going to show you how to go viral in the marketing world and become a rapid success near enough overnight. Okay, that bonus here is going to show you how to get out there, do it and go viral. If you want to start other streams of income, that's going to help you to go viral. Then the passive training, this is going to show you the passive way of making an income, making money online. Okay, do it once, get paid, not forever, but for a few years to come. It's going to show you how you can be setting things up, putting them in motion and making money, adding more streams of income so that you're not just relying on one online source. It's all there, full video training, no prior experience required, everything's there. Then traffic, if you're going to start going into other streams of income, you will need traffic. Okay, there is my load of cheat sheets, around 12 sheets in there, showing you how to get to the traffic fast, how to get it, generate it and send it to any URL that you want, any www. Okay, all there. Then vendor bonuses, yep, I managed to get vendor bonuses off the vendor so that you'll be getting those as well. Once you get OpinionBank and I get credited, these will be waiting there as well. I haven't counted them, but there are these here. All it takes is you to click on the first link below the video if you're on YouTube, come over to my bonus page, scroll down and look at that. It's going to show you all of those bonuses here. You can read through them, what they are and what they can do for you. You'll be getting all of my bonuses as well, each and every one. It's not pick one or pick two, you're getting all of those. With that being said, all you need to do is click on the orange button straight over to the sales page here. If you want, you can read through it, very long, tells you all about it, how they're making 27, 37, how they're making dollar after dollar. Only takes 10 seconds once you know what you're doing. Okay, they're going to get you to where you give your opinions, fill form, quickly, bang, $10, $20, $30, $40, and they've gone out and found several platforms and made it very easy. They've spiced it up, sped it up so that you're going to start getting paid fast. It's as simple as that. If you want to get paid fast online for doing simple tasks, just giving your opinion on things, this is it. It really is. It's all there. People are making a lot of money with this easily, in their spare time. Ideal. It really is. Easy to make, $10, $20, $50, $100. It's now super simple. Really is. Now, as I say, the sales page is here. Just come down, read through it, long sales page as always. People saying how good it is, how much they've earned, how much they like it, and how Opinion Bank has made it even easier. They've sorted out the best offers instead of you trawling through them yourself, finding that that one didn't pay, it's a bit of a hoax, it's a scam. They've gone through, vetted them, checked them, and they're giving you the best of the best so that you can be making the best money in the fastest possible time. That's Opinion Bank all there. It's giving you the reasons to get Opinion Bank. It's telling you you're going to get paid $27 every time you answer questions. The price is going to increase every 5 minutes on this, so the sooner you get there, the better. The doors will be closing soon because once they've got, all the members, they want to be helping them make sure they can make this money, they're saying. There's no limit on how many forms you can fill. So basically there's no limit on earnings. No more waiting. You get paid near enough instantly. It's 100% safe. It's legal. Around 10 seconds and you fill the form in, okay? Works from anywhere as long as you've got that internet connection, a browser, things like that. Mobile phone, yep, smartphone, no problem. Laptop, your PC, if you're on the internet, you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So if you want to sort of quit your job and get out there and start making money from your toilet seat or the luxury of poolside, it's up to you guys. Go out there, Opinion Bank, get started, get the money rolling in, and then start seeing everything. They're saying they had 100% success rate with their 309 beta testers. All the people that tried this made money, okay? You'll find some made a lot more, some made less. Some people only want to spend an hour a day. Others want to spend 12 hours and 14 hours a day when they see the money coming in, okay? Some people think, right, I'm going to do day and night. Bang, 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 hammer away at it for a week or two, and then they'll probably take a week off and just relax. It's as simple as that. It's up to you. Hour or two a day, 10 minutes a day, or, full day and night. Up to you. It's your, you get Opinion Bank and it's up to you. You set the time, you do what you want when you want. If you don't do it, you don't get paid, okay? That's the only thing with Opinion Bank. You've got to be doing something to get paid. Once you stop, the payments stop. So Opinion Bank's there. Now, so that you fully understand it, you see it in action, you know what you're getting, I'm going to pass you on over to a young lady that's going to go through it better than I could and show you exactly how it works. So make sure you watch all the way through. It's only around 3 minutes, and then she'll hand you back over to me and I'll go through all the pricing. So see you back here soon. Enjoy the video.
Hi guys and welcome. So today we are going to talk about Opinion Bank. So first, what you're going to do is just log in to your account, and then here is the interface that will welcome you. So you have your dashboard and your app feed, which shows you statuses or any feeds regarding the apps. And on my apps is your created applications, and my saved applications are your flagged applications. And your directory are, let's say it will somehow filter all the applications that you create. So let's try to create a directory. So for this one, it's going to be named survey links, and you can write in the description of what it is and just create directory. And after doing that, we can go to my apps and let's try to create an application. So you have to think of an application or find an application that pays you to fill out surveys. So an example of that is Inbox Dollars. So you can sign in using your email and then just type in your desired password, and here is the interface of Inbox Dollars. So just click on surveys, and here you can earn this amount to finish a 3-minute survey. So let's click on the earn, and there you can see other specifications. So you just write in the title of the site or the application, and then the directory which we just created earlier, and then the type, which is a site, and then you can upload the image that you want the site to represent, and the category, can be any that you want, category 1, 2, or 3. Like it can be a price range or something. Write in your description. Paste the link of the inbox dollars, a video URL, and create the application. And there you go. That's the inbox dollar. So let's try to click that, and it will directly lead you back to the inbox dollars link. And you can also edit it if you like, or if you have any changes you want, and then just click the update application. So other features, we have my save applications and reward shop where you can see your current points. And of course your directories, and you can also create your own site. So just put in your title and the description of your site, and then you can also write in or paste in your sales URL, and then also even choose your own banner or graphic for your site, and just click create site. And these are just other examples of sites that will pay you to do surveys. So that's it. Thank you.
Right, welcome back. That was the video. That was OpinionBank. You've seen how easy it is. You've seen how it works. You've seen it running. Now, what happens is the front end is going to give you that system. It's going to give you the app, so it's easy to just log in, turn it on and get started. You're going to get full training videos to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. Okay, they're not just going to say this is it, get on with it. Training videos are in there and world-class support. If you've got a question, a problem, you need something answering, just reach out to them and they'll do the best to help you out there. Okay, you're going to get it at a one-time price. So it's not a monthly. It probably will go to monthly, but for those that get in during the launch period, one-time price, pay once, use this for a good few years to come. All here. Now there is bonuses. They're going to give you that $1,493 a day jumpstart internet marketing kit. That's bonus 1. Bonus 2, $0 to $500 a day in 30 days. Then you've got 3 bonus free, $486.23 per day. Set and forget blogging system. 30 days list explosion income is bonus 4. Bonus 5, 60 seconds funnel profits mastery. So they're also including bonuses that are going to help you with other streams of income. This is the way. Get started with OpinionBank. Get the money coming in. Free up your time. And then use that time to move into other areas. If you've got several streams of income, you'll find that you never look back again. The money will just keep on coming. It really is that easy once you get going. The hard part is getting that ball rolling, okay? Once it's rolling, it's a lot easier to keep it rolling. So that is it. As I say, you want the pricing, first link below this video. If you're on YouTube, come straight on over. And what will happen is on the bonus page, just scroll down and it'll show you all of the pricing here. The front end ranges from $16.99 to $28.99, I'm told there. So that's there. So if you want to get paid real cash simply by voicing your opinion, OpinionBank is going to give it OpinionBank option. OpinionBank. OpinionBank is going to make it as easy as following these easy 3-step process, okay? It's a new money making method. They're saying it's foolproof. That is there. And as I say, between $16.99 and $28.99. One time offer 1, VIP, you're going to get commercial license, remove all the limits, you know. So if you don't want to hit a limit and have your earnings sort of squashed till next month, you need to go for one time offer 1. Again, it's going between 47 and 167, depending on where you go. Okay, I'm not going to read through everything on what one time offer 1 is. Removes limits. If you want to know all of it, first link below the video, coming over and have a look. One time offer 2, done for you. You don't want to do this, you don't want to do that. Well, they're going to set up a full OpinionBank business suite. Okay, they'll set it up, fine tune it, get it running. You're going to get over 200 templates, a lot of stuff there. That's done for you one-time offer 2, between $97 and $297. If you want extra income bundle, that's one-time offer 3, $67 to $127. Unlock the ability. It's going to give you 2 more secret platforms where you can make money, okay? And they're saying it's just like owning not just 1, but 3 McDonald's franchises, okay? You'll be able to do the same amount of work, but you're going to compound your earnings. You're going to be making more. You've then got the traffic booster, one-time offer 4. So if you need traffic, you want traffic, that's here. Just looking now, 67, 97, 67. They've got various prices there, downsells, upsells, and in between. Income multiplier, one-time offer 5. You want to, multiply your income. That's 47 to 67. And then you got one-time offer 6, reseller. Now, if you want to resell this, done for you software, they're giving you everything, okay? You won't need to set it up or anything. They'll give you all the copyright, the copywriting, things like the sales sheets, sales letters. They'll give you the emails, they'll give you the funnel, everything, okay? It's all there, and all you do is send traffic to OpinionBank and you get 100% of the commissions, all there, and you can make up to $864 per customer, per sale. If somebody buys and they buy the funnel, go through that funnel and buy it, $864 is in your pocket, they're saying, okay? And as it says, no technical skills, video tutorials are included, so you help through that. Passive income masterclass, you want to know more about a passive income, how to make it, one-time offer 7, $27 on the downsell, 47 is the price. One-time offer 8 is another masterclass, but this is multiple streams of income, not just your passive income masterclass. You're also getting multiple streams there for $27 on the downsell, 47 on the front, okay? So you want to know more? First link below the video. If you're on YouTube, coming over and just go through all the pricing and upsells there. They're all there, all waiting for you. You'll be able to, yeah, I want that. Oh, I'd love that. Don't need that, don't need that. It'll put you in the driving seat so you know exactly what you do want and what you don't want. All I can say is when you go through the funnel, make sure you read those sales pages, because sometimes the vendor does change them a little, okay? So make sure it does match what's on here and you're happy with that. Go through it, yes, yeah, oh, that's different. Spend a bit of time. Do I want it now or don't I? You may change your mind and think, well, I don't want it. Up to you guys. Make sure you get what you want. If you want unlimited, then make sure you get the VIP one-time offer one. It's going to give you that commercial license so you can use it for clients. Plus, it's going to give you the real, the turbocharged version of OpinionBank. Okay, if you want to earn the big money, that's what you need. Front end, part-time, just buy the front end, okay? If you think, well, I'm just going to do this a few hours here and there, go for the front end. You don't need the unlimited, okay? If you think, well, who knows, in a month or 2, I might go on, I might need to do more, grab it. If you're going to do more today, grab it. It depends on you. You know whether, as I say, you're going to want to put an hour a week in or 10-hour days. I don't know, that's up to you. How much do you want to make? You might be happy with $50 a week in your back pocket, who knows? Someone else, they can go, oh, I want thousands, I want the maximum. You want the maximum, you want to get the best out of it, one-time offer 1, VIP, unlimited commercial license included, all there. As I say, first link below the video, coming over to the best OpinionBank bonus page on the planet, go through the upsells, check them all out. Go through my bonuses, the vendor bonuses. You'll be getting each and every one of them. All of those bonuses, as long as I get credited with the sale of OpinionBank. Even if you take it on the front end price, okay, you'll get all of those bonuses, all there waiting for you in the download area. So that's OpinionBank. Hope you worked out what it does, how easy it is, and do you want to make money this way or don't you? Do you want to work online? Do you want to, do it so it's hardly any work at all? You just sit there typing your opinion in here and there, maybe even copy and paste it in 1 or 2 places. And away you go. You get cash coming in. Well, you get, the money coming in off those. So all that remains is for me to say thanks for watching. Make sure that you take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.